rabbit is the main course today. It's something I've never cooked, and I've only eaten it once, but I'm an adventurous home cook with the camera, so let's go for it. Breaking down the rabbit is the first step. You need enough servings for your eaters. Once the rabbit is cut up, soak it in salt water for at least 30 minutes. This starts to tenderize it and adds flavor. You could go up to overnight if you wanted. After it's soaked, pat the rabbit dry and dredge it in seasoned flour. Brown all of the rabbit pieces in hot oil. You may need to work in batches. Then bake the rabbit for an hour at 300 degrees. The final step is making the gravy. First, you brown the butter and cook the shallots down. Now add the mushrooms and cook them until tender. The flour is next, and the rabbit drippings from the pan to finish off the gravy. Let it get hot to make sure the flour begins to thicken things up. Let's plate this up. Pour this gravy over the rabbit right before you serve. My grandmother would call this smothered rabbit, as did the writer in this cookbook. Either way, doesn't that look tasty? A corn salad would be great with this. The fried corn in this dish is the star here. Start by cutting the kernels off the cob. Now we quickly cook the corn along with some onion and bell pepper in a bit of butter. You don't want to cook everything until done, you just want the juices to start flowing a bit. Just get the ingredients warm. I'll also add in a few fresh tomatoes, a bit of scallion, and some chopped sorrel for color and flavor. Who can resist fresh corn?